Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the basics of while loops. The while loop is used if we don't know how many times the code should be repeated, but usually the loop runs as long as there is a condition that is met. So this is a condition-controlled loop. Right after the while keyword, we write the condition. It will be checked on each loop run. As long as it's met, the loop will run. As soon as the condition is no longer met, the loop stops. After the condition we use a colon, and in the next line we start writing the code that will be repeated, the body of the loop, just like with the for loop. Naturally, this block of code is indented appropriately. Now the variables that we're using in the while loop have to be initialized before. Now have a look at this example. Here we have three variables: number to guess, 7, your guess, 0, guess is 0. And now here we have the while loop. Now after the while keyword, we have a condition. Your guess, which is 0, is not equal to number to guess, which is 7. As you can see, these two numbers are not equal, so this condition is met, which means as long as this is met, this indented block of code is executed. What happens here? Your guess is assigned a new value. This is a value given by the user. So the user input enter a number between 1 and 10, which is a string, is converted to an integer, and this number is assigned to your guess. Now if this number given by the user is not equal to number to guess, this message is printed, wrong, try again. And the number of guesses is incremented by 1. Now after that, this condition is checked again, and if this condition is still met, this block of code is executed again. If this condition is no longer met, the loop stops. Now after the loop is finished, you get this message, you need it. Here we have the number of guesses, 2 in. Let's run this code. Just remember the number to guess is 7. Enter a number between 1 and 10. Let's say 2. Wrong. Try again. Let's say 9. Wrong. Try again. Let's say 1. Wrong. Try again. So as you can see, this code in the loop is executed over and over again because the condition is still met. The condition which says that the number I give as my input is not equal to the number which I have to guess. The number which I have to guess is 7. My input is 2, 9, 1, and so on. These two are not the same, so the condition is met, and the code is repeated. But this time let's type 7, which is equal to the number I have to guess. Now the loop finishes because the number I have to guess and the number I give as my input are equal. 7. You needed 4 guesses to win. And this is generally how the while loop works. So to sum it up, we have a condition after the while keyword. As long as this condition is met, this block of code is executed over and over again. Now, if at some time this condition is no longer met, the while loop finishes. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.